We traced the main part of the pumpkin. Okay, now we're gonna do the stem. Okay, and you could even move this pumpkin off to the side if you want. We could do that. However you want to do it. You can leave it there. You can move it to the side. I'll just move it to the side just because, and I can move it back later. So here we go. Let's take this pen tool again, and I'm gonna, for pointy parts, you're just gonna click and let go. So I take the pen, you click and let go, and you'll see that this line wants to connect. Now there's a little bit of a curve, so I'm just gonna drag. I'm holding the mouse down and I'm dragging a little bit, and I'm gonna go beyond the bottom of the stem. And there's something I want to show you. So we're going to click like this, and you'll never see this part when we're finished. And you're going to drag with the curve. This is a pointy part. I'm just going to click and let go, and then I'm going to connect to and close off this whole shape so we have it all selected. Okay, now I'm going to use this eyedropper tool, but I can't see it. Let me show you this. There is a fill color and no outline color. If you hit this little curved arrow here, it'll swap it. Now it has the outline color that used to be the fill, but there's no fill. So that's a little technique. Sometimes for a shortcut, if you want to now use the eyedropper and click right through the shape you just traced, and I'm going to click the stem, and now it filled it in with the color of the stem. Okay, so that's a good way to get exact colors from your original piece. Now, okay, so the stem now is, watch what happens. I'm gonna click off of everything, and I'm gonna drag the body of the pumpkin back. And the stem is now in front of the pumpkin. Okay, let's take a look at something here. I could take this, I could now select the stem, and I can go Object, Arrange, and I'm going to send it all the way to the back. So it's going to send it the back. Okay? So it sent it behind the original trace. Now, I'm surprised actually that it didn't send it all the way behind this. Oh, it did. I traced it so good, you couldn't see, I couldn't tell that it was actually my trace. So what happened here is when I sent this all the way to the back, there was 3 things on the page. There's the traced pumpkin, the original image, and now this stem. So when I sent the stem all the way to the back, it went behind the original image. So now I could get rid of this. I'm just gonna delete this image, and look, I'm gonna push Command Z to put it back. The stem is in front now. So, the stem is behind. If I select it and I go Arrange, Bring to Front, it'll jump into the front. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it back. Object, Arrange, Send to back. You could go backward, and if there's a bunch of stuff on your page, it'll go one piece at a time. Since there's only 2 pieces, that took it all the way back. Okay, now this whole set of tutorials for the pumpkin is really about the pen tool. So now I just want you to play around, have fun, and you're going to use what you've learned in the last tutorial to make shapes. We're going to make, we'll make yellow eyes. By the way, if you have 255 for red and 255 for green, that makes yellow on the RGB. Oh wait, am I in RGB? Let's go File, Document, Color Mode, set it to RGB. Okay, so probably should have done that before. So now let me double click this and set it to yellow, which is 255, 255, and 0, so it'll be just pure yellow. And now let's take the shape tool and make the shapes you want. So I'm going to click once, and I'm going to say I want a 3-sided shape, so it'll make a triangle. And if you want, actually, you could use the pen tool to make a triangle. How about we do that over here for this one? We'll go click, 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 and that actually might be better. And you can make your kind of custom shapes. Okay, and then with the mouth, you could put teeth. You know, if you want it to be a happy one, make it a happy one. If you want it to be a scary one, make it a scary one. Okay, so we're making our little jack-o'-lantern with the pen tool, and there we have it. So the major, that is not very good. Let's give him a happy face. Let's try what a happy face would look like. So I'll click up here, I'll drag, and then I'll click up here, and then down below, I'm gonna drag like this, and then I'm gonna seal it off at the original point. And you can get real fancy if you want and put some teeth on there if you wanted to. I could just show you real quickly. I could take, let's go with this orange, and then let's just make some square teeth that go over, because I sealed that one off, and he'll have like 2 teeth. Okay, so go ahead and have fun making your pumpkin, and get ready for Halloween. Okay, have fun.